Good morning, boys and girls. Teacher Tim here again. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Teacher Tim, he's doing very well. Okay, so it's time for another maths video. So open your books, please, page 30 and 31. And we will continue with doing number bond exercises. Okay, let's look in your... Okay, so page number 30, here. So, exercise number 1, write the missing number. And they are using ice creams, strawberry ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 parts. So the whole, the total is 4 ice creams, and then they are split into 2 parts, and each part has how many ice creams? Please count them. And then you need to write the number of one part in one of these circles. Alright, exercise number 2, please. Look at each picture below here, then fill in the numbers. So you need to count how many flowers, and then answer how many pink flowers there are and how many blue flowers there are, and then the whole, the total. And then fill in these numbers in these circles here. It's all fairly easy. And then page number 31, exercise number 3. What numbers make 6? Draw the missing dots. Complete the number bond. So, A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And so 6 is the whole, is the total. And then part number 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And then in part number 2, how many dots do you have here? And then you need to fill in this circle as well. And then B, what is the total number of dots? The whole is how many? Part 1, you have 1, 2, 3 dots. And how many dots in part 2? So if you count A, you have the whole, the total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And then in B, you have total, the whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Same. But part 1 in A is 4 dots. Part 1 in B is 3 dots. So this is an example of what I was telling you and teaching you yesterday, that this is the same number of total, the whole is the same number, but the parts are different numbers. But they are both correct, because this and this need to be the same number as this. This and this needs to be the same number as this. Okay? Now exercise number 4. Look at the number of cubes in each part. Then complete the number bonds of 7. So 7 is the whole, the total, you see, whole total. And then 1, 2. 2 is part number 1. How many is part number 2? And then here you still have 7 as a total, as a whole. But part number 2 is 2. Part number 1 is how many? So you see, because these two, they have the same whole, the same number of total, but part 1 and 2 differs in A and B. Okay? They're both correct. So, then you need to write here, and make 7. So, 2 and make 7. And the same for this one. And then B, here you need to count to make the total. Count all of the cubes to make the total. And then how many in part 1 and how many in part 2. and then you finish by writing each part down here. And you do the same thing for this exercise. Okay, good. So that is all the exercises I want you to do in the book. And today I will only give you one worksheet. So the worksheet is number bonds with the sum of 9. The sum of 9, the total 9, the whole is 9. So what number should be added to the first number to make 9? So let's do the first one together. So you have the total, the whole is 9, and part 1 is 6. What is part 2? So let's count up from 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. So 3 is the correct answer, because 6 plus 3 equals 9. Let's do number 2 together as well. So here, still same total. The whole is the same. 7 is part number 1, and then part number 2 is blank, unknown. So let's count up. You have 7, 8, plus 1, 8, plus 2, 9. 9 is the total. So you need to add 2. 7, 8, 9. And that is the whole. The total is 9. Alright, good. I hope you understand. It is not very difficult, but if you don't understand, please listen to the video one more time. So please finish all these 20 exercises. Okay? And as normal, either write these down in your notebook, in your maths notebook, or if possible, which is better, if your mama and papa can print these out so that you only write the answers. Okay, good job. And that is all for this video. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.